Hello students, how are you all? I hope you have understood whatever is taught to you so far, and please revise whatever is explained to you. In a day I explain one page, mostly one page only, or 1.5 page. So whatever is explained, please read on your own, okay, to have a better understanding and clarity. Now open page number 46. So we have already discussed about polyester. You know what is a polyester? It's a synthetic fiber. Polyester fiber means polyester fiber is made up of a polymer, polyester. Polyester means many ester groups are joined here. So here the monomers are polyester. And in nylon is also called as polyamide, means here the polymer is a polyamide and monomer is amide. Poly means many. So today we will discuss about PET. This the full form of PET is, please underline, polyethylene terephthalate. Okay, so this is PET. PET is also a form of polyester only. Okay, now PET can be made into a fiber or a plastic, because PET was it is a one form of polyester only. Now when we discussing synthetic fiber, PET is generally referred to as polyester. Like when we discuss, we say that PET is generally it's a polyester, but term PET is used for plastics. Actually PET is generally used for plastic. It's a polyester, but generally it's used for plastics. Have you ever heard that PET cloth, this cloth is made up, we say cotton cloth, nylon cloth, this cloth, but have you ever heard PET cloths? No. So PET is generally used for plastics, but it is a form of polyester only. Okay. Now you know I have told you before also in the previous classes also that there are some general properties of synthetic fibers. So different synthetic fibers will have those properties. They may have additional some special properties, but they will have those general properties, like all the synthetic fibers are very lightweight. The synthetic fibers are not so costly. They are strong. They do not retain water. They are easy to dry up. They are wrinkle free. They are not attacked by moths. Okay, and they have a long durability. So these are the general properties of synthetic fibers, which different synthetic fibers will have, but they may have some additional properties also. Like all the synthetic fibers are strong, but nylon is the strongest one. Okay, so same here also. So sometimes if you forget the properties, you can do this also. Plastic is lightweight. You know plastic bottles are very lightweight. You can see here in the picture, these are the plastic bottles. It is naturally colorless. You can see the bottle with high transparency. You can see these bottles are transparent. Transparent means you can see through these bottles, you can see the other side, or you can see what is kept inside the bottle. So that is transparent. Clearly you can see on both the sides. Okay, now so PET is strong and impact resistant. As a plastic, PET is replacing materials like glass. Okay, generally now they generally prefer plastic bottles than glass bottles, because glass bottles can break and can hurt. So that is why these plastic bottles are very easy to handle. Unlike glass, PET is shatterproof. That is what just I told you, that it does not break into small pieces. PET is used for making bottles, jars, utensils. For example, PET bottles are used for fizzy drinks, and PET jars are used for storing sugar, salt, spices and rice and other things also. In our homes, PET is also used for making thin films and many other useful products. It is clear that polyester fibers and PET bottles and jars are made of the same material. I hope it is clear. It's very simple. The properties you know of PET. Now additional properties of PET is what? That it is transparent. You can see on both the sides. It is shatterproof. It does not break. Okay, so because of these properties of this these synthetic fiber, this PET is replacing glass. Okay, and why and where it is used, that is given. Now PET, so now it is clear that this PET, it refers the plastic bottles, and polyester fiber means it refers to fabric or the cloth. Okay, but plastics or PET is the form of polyester only. Just remember that much. Now we come to acrylic. This acrylic is also a synthetic fiber. Acrylic fiber is made from a chemical called acrylonitrile. Please underline. It is made from a chemical called acrylonitrile by the process of polymerization. Okay. So what is the chemical used here? Acrylonitrile. Is it clear? And the process is polymerization. Acrylic, so same properties you can write. It's lightweight, soft. Properties are same. Acrylic will also have same properties. It is lightweight, less expensive, does not retain water. Okay, all those properties. But additional property is that acrylic is soft and warm. This is the additional property of acrylic, that it is warm. Okay, with a wool-like feel. It will have the properties of synthetic fiber, but additional property, it is warm with a wool-like feel. Acrylic retains its shapes, resists shrinkage. I told you it will have the properties of synthetic fiber. It is wrinkle free, okay, and it can be dyed very well. Acrylic fibers are strong. So the properties of synthetic fibers, you know that synthetic fibers are strong. It's durable. This is also the property of synthetic fiber. Acrylic absorbs very little water, so it is quick dry quality. Now students, here in acrylic, I told you the characteristic properties, general properties of synthetic fibers, which mostly all the different type of synthetic fibers will have, but they may have some additional properties. So additional property here, what is the main property of acrylic? That it gives a wool-like feel. And here it is made up of a chemical acrylonitrile. Okay, so this is the additional property, that it can be used in winters since it has a wool-like feel, and it can be used in place of natural wool. And rest of the properties you can see here are similar to those of synthetic fibers. Due to its wool-like feel, acrylic fiber is often used as a substitute for wool. The wool obtained from, now students, the wool which is obtained from sheep, or the natural wool which is obtained, that is very expensive. Okay, and everyone cannot afford. But acrylic, it is less expensive. Okay, so it is an alternate to natural wool. So the clothes made up of acrylic are cheaper comparative to natural wool. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. So the clothes made up of acrylic, like sweaters, okay, shawls, blankets, so these can be worn in winters. You can see here many of the sweaters which the people wear in winter, and the shawls and blankets which people use are actually not made up of natural wool, though they appear to be made of wool. So what are the things which is used in winter, like shawls, blankets, and different type of things? Okay, so these things are used in place of natural wool. These things are used in place of things made up of natural wool, because those winter clothes which is used in place of those winter clothes which is made up of natural wool are expensive. Understood? So the clothes made up of acrylic, they appear to be made from natural wool, but actually they are not made from natural wool. So acrylic, it is a substitute of natural wool. It is cheaper than natural wool. So natural wool is expensive, everyone cannot afford, so that is why acrylic is the substitute for it. I hope it's clear. Acrylic fiber is used for making sweaters, shawls, blankets, jackets, etc. I hope it is clear. Now what are the characteristics of synthetic fiber? Synthetic fibers are very strong. Okay. Second, synthetic fibers are more durable. Okay. I hope it is clear why synthetic fibers are more durable. Okay. Now synthetic fibers, they absorb little water. So if they absorb little water, so they dry also easily. Synthetic fibers are wrinkle resistant, so doesn't form wrinkles. Synthetic fibers are lightweight. Synthetic fibers are extremely fine. Synthetic fibers are not attacked by moth. So these are the general characteristics of synthetic fibers which we have discussed before also. Okay. Synthetic fiber do not shrink. Okay, it does not. Synthetic fibers do not shrink also. So synthetic fibers are less expensive and readily available. Clothes made of synthetic fibers are easier to maintain as compared to those made of natural fibers because it doesn't form wrinkles. Okay, so this were the properties of synthetic fibers, characteristic properties of synthetic fibers. So now I will tell you the answers of the homework questions. That is, please open page number 54. Name the first fully synthetic fiber, that is nylon. Question number 6. Name the fiber used for making parachutes and rock climbing ropes. So that fiber is nylon. So why nylon fiber is used for rock climbing or for making parachute? Because nylon is very strong. Okay. Now other synthetic fibers are also strong, but nylon is the strongest fiber. Okay. Question number 6. Question number 7. Which synthetic fiber contains the organic group similar to those which have fruit, which give fruits their sweet smell? That is, what is the name of that synthetic fiber? It is polyester. Next question. Which synthetic fiber feels like wool and used as a substitute of wool? That is acrylic. Okay. Question number 9. To which kind of synthetic fiber does terephthalate belong? So terephthalate, it belongs to polyester. Okay. Now see question number 15, B part. Synthetic fibers are made from raw materials called petrochemicals. Question number 9C. If I have not given for homework, this you can do in classwork also. Question number 9C. Like synthetic fiber, plastic is also a... What is plastic is also a? Like synthetic fiber, what will come here? Plastic is also a... Write the answer for this. I will not tell. So question number 9 here you can see on page 56. What is nylon? What is nylon? Nylon is the first fully synthetic fiber which is made up of amides. State the important properties of nylon. That you all know that it is used in parachute, rock climbing and many more. Okay. So this question number 56 on page 57. Rayon is different from truly synthetic fiber because... Why rayon is different from truly fibers? Because it has silk like appearance. Okay, that is why rayon is different from truly synthetic fibers. Question number 57. The synthetic material which can be used for making fabrics as well as bottles and jars is... So what is that synthetic material which is used for making fabrics? So that synthetic material is polyester. Okay. Question number 59. The man-made fiber used for cellulose polymer is cellulose polymer. So what is that? The man-made fiber made from cellulose. So that is, what is the name? Nylon. Man-made fiber made from cellulose polymer is nylon. I hope it is clear to everyone. Made from cellulose polymer. So what is that? That is rayon. That is not nylon, that is rayon. I hope it is clear to all the students. So these are the homework questions. This one, question number 5, 6, 7, 8, 15th, question number 15th, question number 16, question number 18, question number 56, 57, 59. So these were the homework questions for today and I have told you the answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay. Now okay, so you do till here only, rest we will do in next class. I hope everything is clear to you. Still if you have doubt, you can clarify your doubts. Thank you students. Have a